Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just manage your assets more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet app and a Crypto.com account set up. We're assuming you're already familiar with basic crypto wallet functions, but if not, pause here and check out our beginner's guide linked below. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the USDT token. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for transfers. Once you're on the USDT page, tap on the Send button. Now, head over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet section, select USDT, and copy the receiving address. This is crucial. Double-check that you're copying the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Back in Trust Wallet, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, most transfers use the Tron or Ethereum network, so choose the one that matches your Crypto.com wallet for faster confirmation. Hit Send, and confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Once the transfer is initiated, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head back to Crypto.com to verify that the USDT has arrived in your account. Pro tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication to keep your funds secure. Avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions to prevent any potential hacks. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Crypto.com in 2025. If you run into any issues, double-check your addresses and networks. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.